Hello! In this video, we will give a basic walkthrough of your virtual office. To log in, go to doterra.com.au or NZ. Click Login at the top of the page, and you will be redirected to the login portal. Enter your email address or doTERRA ID as your username. Input your password and then select Login. To start, let's talk about the menu options at the top of the page. Under Dashboard, you can select to go to your main dashboard page, which will bring up your product credit points, loyalty rewards percentage, commission qualifications, and volume purchased. If you select Commission Summary in the drop-down, a report will display that allows you to see details of a recent commission earning. In Account Inquiry, you will find a record of the money in your AR ledger, order charges, bonus payments, etc. Next to Dashboard is Shop. The Shop tab is the same as the landing page when you log in. Here you can create new orders by clicking on the product categories or manage your loyalty orders by using the loyalty order box on the right. Remember to check out our Create or Edit Your LRP tutorial, which will go into more detail. Next, we have the Team tab. This is a great resource in tracking and organizing your downline. You can select from numerous options in the drop-down. For example, if you select Graphic Tree, you'll be able to view a layout of everyone in your downline. Message Center is a built-in messaging process to send and receive messages between you, your upline, and your downline. Under My Office settings, you have several options to choose from. Personal info is where you can change or update your account information, such as your address, phone number, email, or password. Make sure to always save your changes at the top of the page when editing your info. Email maintenance is where you can manage what type of email notifications you receive. Again, click Save Changes if you check or uncheck any boxes. Preferences is where you can update the language and time zone of your website. There is also a Save Changes button here you shouldn't forget about. Next, we go to Wellness Advocate Services. When you hover over this option, several categories appear in the dropdown. Under My Orders, click on Shopping Cart to be taken to the main shopping area, or Order and Package Tracking to view your recent orders and tracking information. Register a new Wellness Advocate is where you go to sign up a new member. Simply follow the prompts to complete the enrollment. Genealogy allows you to see a record of yourself and all those below you in your organization. Some of the options in this drop-down match the categories under Team. Wellness Advocate information is your personal account information. Account Inquiry is a record of the money in your AR ledger. Mailing Labels is a tool to help you sort and filter your downline in order to assist with downline communication. Upline Listing allows you to view your upline's information. Now let's move to My Online Store. If you select My Website, you can manage info that is used for your personal site, including your site address, photo, and intro. My Settings is where you can update your personal business site name. My Contact Info is where you can update the info that is used on your personal business site. Preview My Business Site allows you to see what your site looks like when you refer someone to it. Next is Help. If you select this option, you will be taken to the doTERRA Help site, where you can search for helpful articles and information on the Loyalty Rewards program, shipping rates and delivery times, our return policy, and much more. The last option along the top menu is Log Out. Simply click that when you want to log out of your virtual office. There are many great tools and resources in the virtual office. Take time to explore and learn how the virtual office can best help you in your doTERRA experience. Thanks for watching.